Do you ever wish there was an easier way to manage all of your lesson planning, writing emails, and creating classroom materials? Do you wish you had a teacher's assistant? Magic Write is a free tool within Canva that can help. Magic Write is a powerful assistant that can help you streamline your workload. Whether it's writing emails, crafting lesson plans, or creating engaging classroom materials, Magic Write can do it all. I need to create a lesson plan on renewable energy. So let's open up a doc in Canva and click the plus sign to access Magic Write. Write in a quick prompt and click Generate. It's generating a structured lesson plan with activities and learning objectives. But that's not all. Magic Write can also assist in writing emails or double checking something you have written before you send it. In this example, I have pasted in the text of an email that I might send. I'll ask Magic Write to rewrite the email with just a click of the mouse. Now, let's open up a presentation and click on any text box. And then you have access to Magic Write. I will have it take the content from the text of my presentation and generate a quiz question for my students right on the presentation slide. With Magic Write, teachers can save precious time and focus on what they do best, teaching and inspiring their students. Let Magic Write be your teaching assistant, helping you tackle your to-do list with ease. Try it today and see the difference it can make in your classroom.